Perplexity Personal Computer is now available on Windows 10 and 11 for Pro, Max, and Enterprise subscribers. To install it, open Perplexity's official desktop download page or use the official Microsoft Store listing. Select Install, wait for Windows to finish, then open Perplexity and sign in. Personal Computer is built into the current Perplexity desktop app, so you do not need a separate agent download. If you want Perplexity to work with local files, open Settings, provision the Sandbox, then go to Settings, Devices, Local File System Access, and enable it only when you actually need that permission. You can choose specific folders for individual tasks instead of giving unnecessary access. Return to the main app and open Computer to confirm the feature is available on your subscription. Once Computer opens and the app can see only the folders you approved, your Windows setup is complete.